Today I'm going to be showing you how I painted this lower back piece of the ODM gear and what paints and materials I used. Also, I will be selling this on my Etsy because I already have my own. I just made this for the tutorial. So yes, let's go look at the materials. Alright, you're going to start off with Gorilla Wood Glue. I highly recommend this type. You can get it at Home Depot. And then you're going to want to get, it doesn't have to be like appliance epoxy, it just has to be like an epoxy primer. Also got that at Home Depot. Then we'll get this never drying spray paint, even though it looks really pretty and nice. Takes like 3 days to dry. Titanium silver. Also got that at Home Depot. Also added the letter T in the silver, but I really don't want to retake, so we're just going to continue. Then for hand paints, we get this metallic. Got, very nice. Hobby Lobby. And we'll want this metallic gunmetal gray, also Hobby Lobby. Then for airbrush paint, this model color. Also, oh no, it's blurry. There we go, gunmetal gray, Hobby Lobby. And of course you'll need an airbrush. Big surprise, got it at Hobby Lobby. And then some assortment of paintbrushes from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Okay, so you're gonna go through and you're gonna paint a layer of wood glue on literally the whole thing. So, I got my nice wood glue paintbrushes, yes. Alright, when painting the wood glue, you just want to make sure it's a thin, even layer. And this is going to be difficult to paint the whole thing twice, but it's got to be done. This is what it looks like after the 2 layers of wood glue have dried. You can see now it's like shiny, and it'll make your paint look better, and it'll hold all the foam pieces together better too. Alright, here we go with painting. See, this is a different epoxy, but it's still just the exact same black epoxy paint. This is what it looks like after that. And then we're gonna paint the titanium silver, and this just takes a while to dry, so you're gonna have to have patience. Here we go. Here we are once that silver has dried. Looks nice. And now we gotta add little hand paint details. So we get our hand paints, and I'm not gonna lie, I accidentally messed up recording that part, so we're gonna get this tiny little clip of me painting. Yes, look at that, very nice. Here it is after 3 layers of hand paint. I painted that top dome with the gunmetal gray, and then all the little brown details. Now we are ready to airbrush. And if you don't know how to airbrush, just practice on like something else. It's not super hard. This is literally only like the 5th time I think I've brought out this airbrush. You just go for it. Just YOLO. So I forgot to just record once the final product was done. So here's some pictures of what it looks like. Just really quick. So that's how I have my belt. Nice. And you just kind of like slide it through, which gets very annoying, but see, not terrible. Rattling noises. And it does fit with the rest of the costume nicely. Alright, so if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And if you do like this piece, go to my Etsy. All right, cool, thanks. I'll try to make a tutorial on the harnesses, but I really don't want to remake them. So I think I'm just gonna do like an explanation and show you how I did it without having to remake the whole thing. All right, bye.